started is pretty easy. You want to head on over to the drip.community website, and once you're on the site, you won't see any numbers until you've connected your wallet, which you will do up here like this. Select the wallet, and once you see your wallet has been selected and it has been connected to the DApp, you will head on over to the swap page. On the swap page, the BNB that you have purchased, you want to input it inside that box over there. Let's just purchase 0.1. Press the buy button. Your wallet will open up and ask you to authorize the transaction. Confirm the transaction there. Once you receive your notification that the transaction has been confirmed, you're good to buy successful your transaction link. You click OK. Once that's been done, you head over back to the Faucet page, and you should see the drip that you just purchased with your BNB appear right here. Go to the max button, click it there in the deposit box, and click deposit. Wait for the notification, and you're done. Easy, simple, super powerful.